Hey guys, we are super excited to share an update to our AI-powered transcript generation feature. Now you can cut unwanted text and its associated video simultaneously straight from the transcript sidebar. Let's dive in and see how it works. Here we have a Canvid project from Gareth, our product head, with a transcript already generated. Okay, let's play a short section of the video to find some text we can cut for this demo.
Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to show how you can set up the basic HTML page. I'll kind of just go through some of the key points of what makes a HTML page and then talk about how you can essentially create your own.
Alright, I think we can shorten this part of the sentence. Let's play it again for clarity.
I'll kind of just go through some of the key points of what makes a HTML page.
Okay, so instead of I'll kind of just go through some of the key points, let's simplify it to I'll go through some of the key points. So to make this change, hold left click and highlight the section of the transcript. Now, you'll notice something new. Along with the edit option, there's a cut option. Just click cut and there you go. Here you can preview the audio that will be cut along with the text. Most of the time, no further adjustments are necessary, but if you'd like to fine-tune and get super precise, you can tweak the cut area right here. Once you're happy, click Cut Selection. As you can see, the text we cut has a strike-through, and over in the timeline, the corresponding section of the video is automatically removed. Now, let's check it out again.
I'll go through some of the key points of what makes a HTML page.
Cool, right? With just a few clicks, we've made changes to both the transcript and the video seamlessly. Now, what if you want to undo the cut? Super easy. Click the cut section, select Restore Cut, and it's back just like that. Now for a pro tip. Want to make the process even faster? Highlight the text, then hold Shift before clicking Cut. This skips the adjustment pop-up entirely, saving you tons of time, especially when making multiple edits. And that's it. We hope this new feature becomes a game changer for your editing workflow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.